In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up multiple cameras so you can make different points of view of something you've animated. So what we're going to try and do is something like this where we've got this vehicle going in this racetrack and I want to capture from different points of view on this. So let's start off with what we've got. So right now I've got this little animation going on here and I'm ready to play with my cameras. So I'm going to get into my first camera. So I have this first camera set up, and if you press 0 on your number pad or click on view and go to camera, that'll show you what you're looking at. So an easy way to move that around is, if you don't have these up already, press the letter N, or there's a little plus here sometimes, and go to camera, lock camera view. And the nice thing, if you don't have your camera already selected, select it, and then you can tumble in that camera view. So use your scroller wheel to zoom in and zoom out. You can hold down the shift and click on the middle mouse, your scroller wheel to kind of pan. So you're just trying to get kind of a nice little point of view of what you're trying to get. Okay, so you set up your first camera, wherever that might be, and then get out of it. So click off that lock camera view, and we've got our first camera set up. To set up the second camera, that's a little bit tougher, so go to Tools, or actually stay in Create if you're already in there, and we want to add a new camera. It'll just throw it in wherever that 3D cursor is, and the first thing I should probably do is activate that camera. So it's selected right now. Go to View, Cameras, and Set Active camera. So whatever is selected, what camera, that will set that one up. So now I've got this camera set up. I'm gonna maybe move it, doing some of the arrow keys first, and maybe on this one I just want to do a nice close-up of what is going on. So I'm going to throw that down in there. This takes a little bit of time to get just the right placement. Maybe I'll go inside my camera at this point. And then lock it up. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll a little bit, zoom in maybe, and then just kind of position it where I want it to be. So I think that should do it. And then unlock that camera to see what's going on. I'm going to click play to see if I can see my truck. So yeah, that works. So now that I've got that, make sure you're out of that lock camera, and then go set up another camera if you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and just do one more camera. Set that up. And I want this to be a nice straight on view of the course. So I've got it selected. I'm just going to zero out everything there and just kind of pull it straight up. Nope, that didn't work. Zero, and then click off of it. And then once again, to set that camera, I need to be on my rotation. That's what it is, 0, 0, 0. Set that camera, then go ahead and go to cameras, set that one. Now it's looking from that one. So now I've got 3 different points of view set up. And that's how you set up cameras.